Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. At the beginning of this video, I showed you how the flash works when you get an incoming call. That is, when you get a call, the flashlight on your iPhone blinks, and it also blinks when new messages come in. A very handy feature. How do you turn it on? We go into the settings of our iPhone and select the item. Accessibility. Now go a little lower and find the item. Audio Visual. We click on it, then we go down to the bottom. And we see here, Visual, LED Flash for alerts. Let's click on this button. And here we just need to check this item. Then, with incoming calls and messages to our iPhone phone, Flash will flicker. And you will not miss important notifications for you. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye-bye. Thanks.